back to our channel released on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Director Joe Penna's excursion to Mars with inside the 2021 film Stowaway is neither as ambitious nor hooked up on grand a scale like above. Instead, it unfolds with inside the substitute claustrophobic confines of the Kingfisher that is a course to Mars colony. The solid is Theodore, however solid Anna Kendrick as clinical researcher Zoe, Toni Collette because of the ship's commander Marina, and Daniel Day-Kim as biologist David. Tony's Marina is assured and regular, and Daniel's David stoic but a subtle. However, Anna sort of deals the body because of the adorable area rookie Zoe. The crux of the movie is ethical quandary concerning Kingfisher's titular and unintentional stowaway Michael Adams Shamler Anderson, whom the team unearthed stashed away and injured in compartment of the craft. As they nurse him again to recovery, they recognize that they don't have sufficient oxygen for 4 people. It quickly turns into clean that one man or woman has to, and that being Michael of course, has to die for the other 3 to live. Each of the character offers with the moral catch-22 situations of their way. Marina because the no-nonsense chief, and David because the clinical progamist, each of whom recognize that the fulfillment in their mission that includes making Mars match for human habitatization, the destiny of humanity in addition to their personal lives, trip on doing away with Michael from the equation. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. On the alternative hand, Michael is the powerless person who is aware of his within inside the incorrect vicinity at the incorrect time, and Zoe the idealist who will preserve, searching out changed reasserts of oxygen in place of allowing this guy to die. Visually, there is now no longer a great deal to fault with the film and the scenes that spread in the area, specifically while we subsequently depart the Kingfisher sooner or later within inside the second half. These are nicely done. It's the pacing, the letdown, the labeling with the mystery and overstatement. The movie is not precisely edge of your seat till it's back, and its meanders pretty a chunk making its point. However, amongst its strengths are its characters, which are not cookie cutter and feature brilliant chemistry. They are all endearing of their way, even Michael, even though his element is undercooked. That is what makes the stories haunting and live with you. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.